Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to order process and generate invoice. Account setting and click on order. Login or register as new customer. Now go to shop and add some products into the shopping cart. Click send order and click back to shop. Now go to account setting and click on order. All the orders are listed here. Now log into backend and go to customer and then order. Recent orders are listed there. Click on Show Details. Change the order status to In Process. Change the payment status to Partially Invoiced and click Save. Now send email pop-up appear. Select Invoice from Document Type dropdown, click Send. Email has been sent. Refresh the page to see the changes. Order is in process. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.